Sphere. In this video, you will learn what a sphere is and how to find its volume and surface area. Let's start it. A sphere is a perfectly round solid figure, like a ball. All points on the surface of the shape are the same distance away from the center. We call this distance the radius. Look at the figure. A sphere is the outer surface of a ball. A ball is a sphere and everything inside the sphere. Spheres are perfectly round geometric objects. All cross-sections of a sphere are circles. The shortest distance between points on any surface is called a geodesic. In other words, geodesics are special curves on a surface. These curves represent the shortest path between 2 points on the surface. Look at the points A and B. The path on the curve is a geodesic. The surface area of a sphere is given by this formula. The volume of a sphere is given by this formula. Let's see how it works. Find the surface area and the volume of a sphere with a radius of 6 centimeters. Take the formula. The radius is 6 centimeters. Simplify. This is the volume. Take the formula. Change the radius by 6 centimeters. A cube, a cylinder, and a sphere have the same volume. Find the surface area of each. This is the surface area of the cube. Change the height in the radius. This is the surface area of the cylinder. Change the radius by 6.09. You should notice that for a given volume, the sphere is the shape that has the smallest surface area. The sphere appears in nature when a surface wants to be as small as possible. This is why it appears in nature so much, such as water drops, bubbles, and planets. Now I will show you the full resolution of an IGCSE exam exercise. Pay attention. If you enjoyed the content of this video, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask or suggest anything. I will be grateful.